What's up everybody? In today's video we're gonna look at how can we order and filter our customers gallery by customer name. So let's dive into it. Okay, so basically what we are gonna do here is, let me show you that we have this option to sort the list of customers, so we can order the customers by customer name, ascending or descending, if we just click here. And we can also filter, right? So we can filter by name. So basically these two things are what we're gonna do in this video. Let me show you. We can specify different customer names and we can filter. So let's go back to our application. Okay, so let's select this button and let's go to the onSelect property. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this function, the update context, basically because we are gonna create a new variable. So let's specify the name of the variable. It's gonna be sort descending customers, and its value, it's gonna be basically the opposite. Okay, so let's say that the sort descending customers value is in true. When I click on that button, the value is gonna be false. Okay, so just let me minimize this. Now if we select the customers gallery and we go to the items property, we have here, remember, the sort by columns function. So in the orders property, we're gonna specify basically a condition. We're gonna put if the sort descending customers is equal to, well, it's true, basically we're gonna sort by descending, and if not, if the value is false, we are gonna order ascending. Okay, so now basically we can add some comments here, right? So when I preview this and I click on this icon, basically we can order the value, right? Remember that in order to work this, we need the variable sort descending needs to be initialized, right? So we can initialize that value in false. Here we can see that I can add a text control, basically a text input control. This is gonna be to filter by customer name. So the value is txt, the name is txt customers name filter. Okay, it's important to put a name to the control. The default value is gonna be blank, and we can use a hint text, so it's easier to understand what do we need to put in that text box. So I have basically we have here enter customer name, and we're gonna apply a second filter, right? Well, an additional filter, basically. This is gonna be the filter number 5. So let's put the comment filter number 5, and this time is gonna be by customer name. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a different method. This is gonna be the start with. So basically we're gonna filter based on the text that we're gonna specify on that text input control. So the field that we're gonna validate is gonna be the title field, and the value that we're gonna put is gonna be the txt customers name filter input text, right? So if this text its part or the title begins with the text that we have specified on this control, we should filter that value. So for example, I specify ABC. We see that we can filter or another text. You can see that I specify different text.
Alright guys, that was all for this video. In our next video, we're gonna look at how can we filter the customers gallery by this time by role. I mean, for example, if you specify a person name and that name exists on any of the sales team members, that will be one of the filters that we would like to apply. So if you have any comment, any suggestion, please leave it below. Also, it's really important for me that you subscribe, because in that way I know that you're interested on this content and that motivates me to create more content. So see you in our next videos.